any town hall meetings anyway. In North Houston, Texas, Democratic Congressman Gene Green doing yeoman's work at a packed town hall meeting, taking more than an hour of questions, always managing to maintain order, always managing to inform, including about the legislative process itself.
The original bill is available on the web.
Now that's my question, because what you're holding there, you seem to be disagreeing with what several of us talked about or argued about.
This is the original bill that was introduced.
I don't want to find out that you voted for something and we looked at this and it's a different bill completely.
Well,
now
what
it says yes.
This is the bill that was introduced. It's been amended at least 60 times in our committee.
In the official book that you have, you say yes. This is what Gene Green is going to vote on.
Well, now I wish I could tell you that because you know the legislative process. You start with a bill, and like I said, in our committee, we amended it. I think we had 70 amendments, and some of them were voted past, some of them were not.
When one protester asked for a show of hands from those in the room who oppose any form of socialized or government-run health care, Congressman Green then asked for another show of hands from anyone in the room with Medicare. Many of the same hands went up. Tea Party protesters who believe they are against government-run health care either don't know or don't care that they are at this moment receiving government health care. Whether public or private, the overwhelming majority of protesters at Congressman Green's town hall meeting already had health care coverage.
I'd like to know how many people in this room do not have health insurance of some kind. I think that's the answer to the question. I think the people who are objecting are the people who have insurance. Yes, exactly.
Time now to call in our own Eugene Robinson, Pulitzer Prize-winning columnist and associate editor of The Washington Post. Gene, good evening.
Evening, Keith.
Does Congressman Green there deserve some sort of medal? I mean, he not only handled the protesters well, but he also worked so hard to inform them and the ones on the other side of the health care issue. Everybody who turned up at that meeting looking for information got information.
I know. The order of the golden stethoscope, I think we'd like to give to Congressman Green. You know, this is what's really troubling about this whole episode is that this is really important stuff. As you have noted lately in your special comment on Monday, and as I have written and as others have, as everybody agrees, this is an important debate. And so whatever side you're going to take on the debate is fine, but drowning out the debate so that people can't get information on which to base a decision is, to me, unconscionable and should not be allowed.